Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So I got a comment from a subscriber saying, I hope you'll get more subscribers, reach to 300. I love your crafts. They're really fun. Do more at home. Okay, so if you guys are enjoying that, I will do more. But I have a vlog I want to do today, so I will try my best to do one. Okay, and then when I finish my other two vlogs, if you guys do want me to do it, let me know, because I did a short little video you'll see tomorrow. And if it's yes, then we'll continue. Okay, so today's vlog, I'm going to be doing a sound effect challenge. So I'm basically gonna like find the sound on my iPad. Sorry guys, my phone cut off, so I'm gonna use my iPad. So I'm gonna use my phone this time to find the sound effects. I'm just gonna guess them, I guess. So sound effect challenge. So I have to type sound effect. Okay. So I have to guess the sound effect. So let's see. Let me see if I can find it. All right, so we're gonna play this video. Oh, you guys can't hear it. Hold on. I forgot my AirPod is on, so you won't hear it. Okay. So, we're gonna play it. We're gonna play it now, and then let's start the video. Here's the video now. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna guess this. This sounds like a pour of rain. So I don't know if you guys hear that. Oh, no. Ah! I didn't hear the whole thing. It's bowling. Bowling ball. Bowling. All right, next. All right, so we got it's bowling. I thought it was like, no, honestly, I thought it was rain at first. But when I played it, I was like, no. All right, next one. This sounds like rain. Or someone's going and walking the rain. Rain. Oh. Flushing the toilets. Okay, I didn't get that one. Okay, next one. This is a owl. I got it right. The owl. They're so cute. Oh my god. Typing. Those old typing computers. I don't know the name, but those kind of a typing thing. Oh, a pen. Oh my god. A pen clicking. Wow. That was like those typing computers. A broken plate. A broken plate. Yeah. Vacuum. Vacuum? Yes! I got it right. I never know I was gonna get that one. Okay. A hen. A hen, of course. A hen. A hen. I love this game. I love this game. A sink. A pipe. Running pipe. Or tap. Still got it right. A clock? Hey! That was so fun. A frog. A frog. I think. Oh, ducks. Oh my god. Oh, it's okay, guys. We'll make little mistakes. Eraser, pencil, eraser. Oh, paper cutting. Paper cutting. Oh my God. Thunder. No, air show. I think it's the air show. Airplane. A jet. Well, I did say plane, so. Okay. So, a jet, plane. Okay. Oh, pigeon? I swear I didn't even hear that one. What's a pigeon? Okay. A cat. A cat. Purring. Yes! A cat purring! And I just noticed the sound. What's it called? Mowing the lawn. A lawnmower, right? Yeah, lawnmower. I couldn't say the word, but I got it right. Let me know if you guys are enjoying this game. Chair. Oh, chair. I don't know. TV. Oh, the tree in the wind. That sounds like an old chair rocking though. A screw. Driver thing? Oh, electric screw. So I kind of got it. Yeah. A crow, of course. A crow. Correct. A sheep. A sheep. Sheep. Yes. A sheep, we got it. Someone's blowing their nose. I got it right. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments. Oh. Sorry guys, I didn't have that on. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. How well did I did this sound effect challenge? I think this is very fun, very educational. This is like if you're like, again, with your family, with your children, very fun and educational. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will try my best to do more crafts. I will try to find a day to do one, and then I'll try to finish my other 2 vlogs. So if you guys do want me to do more crafts, let me know, and we get back to those things again. Okay, bye. Have a good day. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye guys. Girl, why am I keep on forgetting? Follow me on my social medias. Bye. I'll see y'all in my next one. Love you all. Be positive, be safe, and have fun. Bye.